Hi everybody, it's Katie Austin.
And I'm her mom, Denise Austin.
And today we are going to lead you through a total body Pilates movement class.
For any age.
And any stage. So, should
Let's
we do
go,
it?
yes.
The best part about this is all you need is yourself. It is body weight, but trust me, you are going to feel that core stability, which is great no matter if you're pregnant
or you're over 50 like me.
Yeah, all right. So we're going to start right here, nice and cross-legged. And we're just going to start with a few deep breaths in, resting your wrists right over your knees. Feel free to close your eyes right here. Just a nice centering breath. And for me being pregnant, I'm going to focus a lot on 360 breathing. So as I expand, really feel my rib cage expand in all different parts as I inhale. And exhale, audibly exhale as you hug that baby. Or for my mom, you just feel it in your deep core. You really try to make sure you pull that belly button in. One more big deep breath in. And let's lift those fingertips to the ceiling. Inhale. Opening up your chest and your rib cage right here, getting all the oxygen to your belly. And as you exhale, slowly just lower one hand to the mat, and let's come from side to side. Beautiful. Just centering ourselves before we get into the workout. Awesome. For 3, for 2.
Feels so good, Katie.
And on this last one, let's curl and cartwheel those hands on over into a tabletop position. Now we're gonna start in a tabletop position right here, and I want you guys to curl under those toes, press through the palms, and come up for a floating tabletop. Now this is really just gonna engage your entire body right here, both your glutes, your core, your upper body, and come right slowly back down. One more time, are you ready?
Yep.
Pick up those knees.
So good for the core, yes.
Yes.
Without doing a sit-up, you really
Or
get your
crunch.
core. Yes, or
And
crunch.
release. Let's come into a cat-cow, so round out the back, round out that spine. Exhale and inhale. Really great for mobility. Great for the low back. One more time, cat-cow. If you are pregnant, just try your absolute best right here. Doesn't matter how round you can go and how cat you can go. Just do your best. Feels so good. And let's come right back to center, squaring up those hips. Let's start with a bird dog. So we're gonna extend one leg nice and long and back. Opposite arm coming right in front of you. Holding that right here to stabilize through the core, which is great as we need core stability for any age and stage. We're gonna drive the knee to elbow in for that bird dog crunch and lengthen right out.
This is excellent for everybody, especially us women, to really strengthen the rector spinae muscles that line your spine to keep your spine healthy at every stage. And then as she's working that, she's really tightening through the abdominals, hugging up and in the baby and releasing. Excellent.
Thank you.
Yes.
Last one right here. We're gonna hold and lengthen both the arm and the leg, and we're just gonna start to pulse. A tiny little movement, great for the glute, great for the shoulders. For 6, 5, 4, 3, great work, 2. Leave the leg up there nice and floated, but you guys can feel free to plant the palm right back down. We're gonna curtsy, so drive the knee towards the opposite side of the mat, and then lengthen long for that donkey kick. And exhale as you lengthen. Nice work, you guys. Wonderful. For the hips, the thighs, and the booty. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Relaxing right back down, curling under those toes one more time. Let's lift up for that floating tabletop as that centering move. We're holding for 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax back to that bird dog on the other side. We're gonna hold that right there just for a few seconds to stabilize. Your hips are squared towards the mat.
And one thing is to really feel like you're pulling up and in your abdominals. Really feel the core muscles. If this is too much for your wrist, you could go up onto your hands like a fist. If it feels too much.
And start to crunch it out.
That's it. And stretch stretch that leg. That's what Pilates is all about. Lengthening and strengthening. Excellent. Take your time on this. Really breathe in and exhale out. That's it. Think about your abdominals. Beautiful, Katie. That's it. One of my favorite all-time exercises.
Great, last one right here.
Great for your spine, your low back. Strengthens your low back.
Hold that right there and just start to pulse that bird dog. We only have 8, 7. Your fingertips and your toes are just going up and down, just an inch or two, ever so slightly for 4, 3, 2, and plant that palm. Foot stays nice and high. Curtsy, knee drives to the opposite side of the mat, and release it nice and long. Squeeze. Inhale.
Really squeeze the buttocks so you really firm and really strengthen all of the muscles back here. That's it. Really squeeze, tighten up that tushy. That's it. Beautiful glutes. That's gorgeous. Keeping your hips strong is so important as we age too. As you're pregnant, your hips gotta hold you up.
Last one, we're gonna relax it right back to that tabletop position and spread those knees as wide as the mat. Just take a nice little circle around, opening up the hips right there before we get to the next move. Inhale and exhale. If you're pregnant like me, you might need to even spread your knees even wider to give room, make room for that belly.
And this is excellent for all us women who have any lower back pain. It stretches and eliminates a lot of pressure off the low spine. That stretches. Flexibility and strength, also important.
And as you exhale, we are just gonna come lying on our side right here and take it back 80 style with some leg lifts. So we're gonna extend that leg nice and long, lift up and lower. Gorgeous.
I love this because it really lengthens and works those muscles, strengthens those muscles. Pull up and in through the abdominals. Always think about your core muscles. That's it. Breathe again. Lengthen that leg, really point that toe. Beautiful. Feel the length.
And last one, we're gonna hold that at the top. Paint a little circle with the toe. Tiny little circle for 6, 5, 4, great, 3, 2, oh, glutes are on fire, and
That's
1.
great.
And then let's take the knee to elbow, drive it in, and extend it nice and long. Great work, you guys. We're gonna inhale and then exhale as you crunch.
This is working those oblique muscles that really shape the waistline. That's it. Keeping your hips nice and healthy too. Great.
Last 2. Last one, keep the leg nice and lengthened right here. We're gonna sweep it forward and then sweep it back. Great. If you don't have a huge range of motion like me, I don't wanna swing it too far back or too far forward, no worries.
This is great for isolating the buttocks, for also your hips, and lengthening and strengthening your thighs.
Give me 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna relax for an inner thigh toner. Want to lead us through this one, Mom?
Yes, I love this one.
Because you can definitely
It's
do
a lift and a lower.
She can get her leg a lot higher.
I love this one. It really zeroes in right where we need it. Did you know that inner thigh muscles are the hardest muscles to target tone? But with this exercise, you're really getting the inside of your inner thighs to help stabilize your knees, keeping your knees healthy and your hips healthy. Working in a different angle really shapes and firms those muscles to strengthen.
3, 2, and 1. Coming on the center in your knees right here. Coming for that centering move, a nice deep breath in. Getting more oxygen to the body to give you energy. Let's come beautiful from side to side. Just for 4, 3, you got it. 2, we're gonna cartwheel those arms on over on 1 to the other side. Here we go. Same sequence, so we're starting with those leg lifts. Ready? Lift and lower. Awesome.
And you don't have to kick up too high. We're not looking at trying to jump that leg really high. It's a lift to let the muscles do the work, not momentum. You're really strengthening and lengthening through the legs. Also, holding yourself upright really does help with the entire core muscle group.
Yes.
That's it. Beautiful.
Last two. Last one. Let's hold the leg up and a little baby circle to the back of the room for that 8 count. 8, 7, 6. Really squeeze that glute. Tiny little movement, but you'll feel it for 5, 4, 3, 2. Lift that hand up, lengthen it, and let's knee to elbow drive. Inhale to exhale.
This is so good for the lower area of the abdominals too, as well as your obliques, strengthening all the areas of the core too. And really lengthening the legs, lengthen the spine. Beautiful, stretch and strengthen. Gorgeous.
Last 2. Great, last 1. Now leg is lifted. We are gonna take it to the front of the room and to the back. Again, squeeze the thighs so you come back and forward, working a lot of different angles of the lower body right here.
Yes. Great for the back of your thighs, your buttocks, to help shape and tone. This also keeps your hips strong.
Oh, yeah.
Especially as we age, we need those good
I'm
strong
pregnant,
hips.
by the way.
And
Hips.
while you're pregnant.
I'm focusing a lot
Yes.
on my inner and outer thigh strength, my hip strength in this because I want it
Yes.
strong for labor. We have 3,
Yes.
2, 1, and beautiful. Take it down. For now, the inner thigh toner.
Lift and lower. You can place your hand right there, elbow up. Beautiful. But make sure you're keeping your abdominal muscles engaged. That's it. Pilates has a lot to do with core power, your center of your body. That's it. Keep it strong. That's beautiful. Now lift that. Good. Lift through your chest a little. That's it. Let me see. Good posture. Smile.
Woo.
Yes.
3, 2, and 1. We are just gonna slowly roll. I'm rolling right here on my elbows, not coming all the way on my back and propping myself up. And we're gonna come into some nice slow Pilates bicycles. Now, if you guys want to go into it like my mom in a little advanced way, you guys can also tap your toe ever so gently on the mat, but making sure we're just working the core for 10, 9, finish it strong. Woo! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Awesome. Now planting both feet on the mat, slowly rolling up each vertebrae at a time, taking those arms lengthened in front of you, just slowly sitting back with that. And exhale. Great. And taking those arms right behind you, stretching out your chest. Awesome work. Nice work, you guys. Cooling down right here. And right back to how we started. Nice cross-legged. Just recentering ourselves before we head back into the day. Take a nice deep breath in. Hold. Okay. Just recentering ourselves before we head back the rest of our day. Let's take that deep breath in. And exhale, let it go. Roll those shoulders down and back. How are we feeling?
Oh, I feel so good. Lengthened and strengthened. I love Pilates.
Pilates for any age and any stage. Thank you guys so much for joining us today, and we will see you guys next time.
Love you.